Hello everyone, IIM Rohtak has released a shortlisting criteria for batch 2024-26. Major changes were made in the CAT cutoffs because of the increase in the number of CAT test takers. The changes also signifies that the number of candidates shortlisting for interview will be similar to last year. And the most important thing is IIM Rohtak is the only IIM which doesn't have sectional cutoff. For general category, it has increased from 95 to 96 percentile. For EWS, from 90 to 92 percentile. For NCOBC, from 78 to 82 percentile. For SC, from 55 to 60 percentile. For ST, it has become 30 to 50 percentile. This year, they even subcategorized differently abled person category. For DAP general, this year it became 86 percentile. For DAP EWS, it's 82 percentile. For DAP NCOBC, it became 72 percentile. For DAP SC, it's 50 percentile. Please note that clearing the cutoff does not ensure your personal interview shortlist. These are the key points to be noted. Registration will start shortly, so keep checking the IIM Rohtak website. Candidates need to submit the application, and the application fees is approximately 3,000. Eligible candidates will receive an email, so those who clearing the cutoffs, keep checking your email. Only the candidates who have submitted the application form before deadline will be considered for the personal interview. So don't wait for the last minute. For final selection, the weightage given for CAT is 60%. For personal interview, it's 20%. For diversity, it's given 20%. The diversity here includes both academic diversity and gender diversity. We have attached the official IIM Rohtak shortlisting criteria PDF in the description below. And if you like the video and if you want to be keep updated with the top B school shortlisting information, please do a subscribe and like our video. Thank you and good luck.